Hello, my name is Harri Pietilä. I'm the Vice President for Video Service Platforms at Teleste Finland. Teleste provides comprehensive solutions where we provide the innovation for different kinds of services, so we can provide all the different aspects of modern services or even old-fashioned services, everything from analog TV to adaptive streaming. We basically work mainly with cable TV industry, where we are the market leader in Europe. But we also have a lot of global customers in Latin America, India, China, and other countries. We started with the Elemental Live products for specific customers. We have one announced, the Anvia TV in Finland, so they're using that, the live product, but they also are using the server product, so that's what we started with in the beginning. So we have both the Elemental Server, Elemental Live now running at our customers. Anvia TV is a sort of challenger in Finland for the cable and IPTV services in Finland. We helped them build their new services together with Elemental, so they had specific requirements for the transcoding solution, and with Elemental we could fulfill all those needs. They had very specific feature requests, and those needed to be addressed, and then the Elemental solution was perfect for that. Well, Teleste and Elemental have a very unique partnership, so we work together towards customers so that our customers get transcoding solutions from us that are powered by Elemental, so that we can fulfill all the needs for our customers, everything from basic one-to-one transcoding to high video quality and adaptive streaming. So that's where we help our customers in a very unique way. We have the problem in our industry that there are so many different technologies that need to be supported at the same time. So that's where we need the flexibility and high quality. So we can, with Elemental, then we can address all these different scenarios with the same product, so that we can use our products for this reception and descrambling and edge-quang products, and then in between have the Elemental transcoder to fulfill that gap in every different scenario we see out there.